Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade sales strategies with Weebly, beginner guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your sales strategies with Weebly, start by creating an account on the Weebly website. Once you're logged in, select a template that aligns with your brand's vision. Customize the template to suit your style, focusing on colors, fonts, and images that resonate with your audience. Next, navigate to the store section to set up your online shop. Add your products by clicking Add Product, then fill in the necessary details like descriptions, prices, and high-quality images. Consider organizing your products into categories for better navigation. Integrate payment options by clicking on Settings and choosing your preferred payment processors. Ensure that shipping options are configured correctly to cater to your target market. Now, optimize your product pages for SEO by adding relevant keywords and meta descriptions. This will improve your visibility in search engines and attract more potential customers. Next, set up email marketing by utilizing Weebly's built-in tools or integrating with third-party services like MailChimp. Create attractive email templates to keep your audience engaged and informed about new products and promotions. Implement a blog section to share valuable content that resonates with your audience and showcases your expertise. Utilize Weebly Analytics to monitor your website's performance and customer behavior. Analyze the data to identify successful strategies in areas that need improvement. Finally, continually test and adjust your strategies based on analytics insights to achieve the best results. With these steps, you can effectively upgrade your sales strategies using Weebly and grow your online business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video.